Hey everybody, this is Tatasha from Divon Creations, and today I made a spring card using Mujka Clipart. If you're interested in purchasing your own clip art, please use the link below. She has amazing images and she's always offering great deals. So we're going to go ahead and just jump right in here. As you see, I have my Cricut going super fast. If it only really could cut that fast, that would be amazing. But I went on and cut everything out. I like to do all my cutting first and then put everything together at one time. So I'm not running back and forth. I am using art glitter glue to adhere everything together. I will be using the dollar store foam dots. I think they're about a ½ inch, but you can grab them from the dollar store. And actually, I'm completely out at this point. And due to our current situation, my local Dollar Tree is closed. Or dollar store is closed, so I won't be able to grab any more right now. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue everything down, place it the way I like it. I'm not going to measure, use a ruler or anything like that. I'm just going to eyeball it and just try to have it center as best as I could. I am going to use 2 layers of our cute little girl here. That's all ready for spring and Easter. I'm going to use 2 images of her just to give her some more dimension so everything don't feel like it's just flat on the cards. I love cards that offer 3D, and dimension in the card. It just makes it look a lot better. So as you see, I'm going to go ahead and pop her up with a foam dot right on top of the first one. So you can see it makes a world of difference. And our happy spring sign here was written with my Cricut. I used a black pen, a Cricut pen, to write out happy spring. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut a piece of the foam off of the back. And as you see, it's all gone, but the rest of the foam is still usable. You could just cut it off and use as needed. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that right onto the back. And voila, it is amazing. Now, there is one part I didn't go over, which is my backing card that has the clouds. I used some ink and I used my boutique to do the embossing. So that's how I was able to get those clouds, in the background. Now, I am going to use some double-sided tape to add a craft paper backing onto it just to give it a little bit more dimension with the cards. I'm going to use my scissors and I am going to cut away, but you'll see later in the video that the backing is going to be on there. And once I do that, the card is all done. Now it's time to work on the sentiment for the inside of the card. So right here, I have my Misty stamping. I'm using my Versa ink. I am going to use a stamp set. Now, you will see later in the video, I did forget to put the word R, but that's neither here or there. This is for a tutorial. I can go ahead and add it at any time. And that's the amazing thing about having a Misty, is that my placement is not going to change. I just need to add the R and re-stamp it and everything will be perfect. So there you go. I actually really love the Misty. It's great for when you're making more than one card because you can make so many and have all your stampings in the perfect and in the same spot every time. So that's pretty much it, y'all. Thanks for joining me. I hope you appreciate this video. I really hope that it has inspired you to head over to Mujka Clipart, and the link is in the description. Grab you some great graphics and clip art for your next project. And as always, take care, be safe, always practice social distancing. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And thanks for joining me.